Hello, friends. Welcome to YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to all of it. Hopefully, we're here. Just got into the Pika Labs online beta thingy last night. So, yeah, I asked them if I could show people around, and they said it's cool. So, yeah, I'll show you guys how Pika works. It's really dope. Their Discord is open. It's free. You can sign up and start creating. This is just their next tool. And I'm going to imagine they're going to monetize this eventually because, GPU isn't free. But yeah, here we are. Here's what it does so far. And we're in the very basic stages. And I'm super impressed. Yeah, I mean, you can do some stuff like this at home, but some of these models that like Pika and Midjourney and Runway have trained are, they're black box stuff. And they do things that we can't quite do yet locally. So it's cool to see what's out there. So yeah, Pika is text to video, image to video, video to video. It lets you determine the aspect ratio, frames per second, all that of the video. You can set up motion control like Runway, and do negative prompts, seeds, and like CFG scale. And again, this is day 2, I think, of the beta. Day 1 or day 2. So I think there's more stuff coming. Like I said, Pika's not open source, so yeah, there is no Google collab for this because they're a company. All right. So yeah, I've just been trying out the text to video and most importantly the clip extension, which is what I'm most excited about. Really? Can't hear me at all? Says it's working. You guys can't hear me? For real? Anybody else can't hear me? Hello? Words? No? Okay. Yeah. Other people are saying they can hear me, so all right, cool. Yeah, turn your volume up. Maybe, I don't know. So where were we? Yeah, clip extension and camera movement, which is cool. So you can do an extension of a clip and then set the camera motion for each extension. So for instance, I started with a frog on a log on a bog with no camera movement. So we just got this cool little frog chilling. And then I extended the clip once and added a pan right and zoom out. Nice. And then I think I added a rotate tilt here. Yep. And then for the very last one, I think you get 4 extensions in the current beta, but they'll probably extend that later or not. I don't know. So 1, 2, here comes the third shot, and then the fourth shot will be a zoom in and a pan left. You can see it starts to break up a little bit by that fourth clip, so I think that's why I think that's why there's only 4 extensions, because like after a little while, and this happens with everything else, if you keep running stuff through it in and out of the VAE decoder and dreaming on it, you get generation loss, so things start to get a little wobbly. Like you can see his feet are starting to get a little geometric and low poly and stuff, and then that'll happen with clip extension. But it's pretty cool. I mean, 15 seconds is a lot of time. Very cool. Then I was just putting in some of my stuff, like just my renders and stuff, and this one just zoomed in. This one was kind of cool. It did some weird electricity stuff. So yeah, it's fun to just try different stuff. This was a text prompt, CRT screen flickering in the dark, static. Not bad. Like some more staticky flickers, but it's a cool little loop. Yeah, these I think these are 24 frames per second. Yeah. And here's another clip extension I did. I'll just play the final. So static shot to start. I think it's a pan out into the left, then rotate in and zoom in, and then pan left and zoom in more. So yeah, I mean it's really impressive. Super cool. I tried max headroom. Pretty cool. And just had some trees drifting in the wind and stuff like that. Love the shadows. See those shadows? I don't know if I can make this bigger. I could upscale it, but I don't really need to. Yeah, the movement is cool. Their motion model is really advanced. I mean, like with any motion model, sometimes you get duds. It's just the way it is. So, it's cool to vaporwave dish soap advertisement. Kind of understood. This one was good. Sun-soaked waves lapping against a gentle beach in the Pacific Ocean. We could extend that one probably and try some camera angles. POV riding a motorcycle down a busy futuristic Japanese highway with neon lights. It's pretty cool. That's with the camera motion at like full throttle, zoom in. Which is funny that it put the person facing us and it's supposed to be zooming in, but it looks cool. Product shot of a holographic display sitting on a table with 90s toys. I don't know why it's an A, but it's cool. Holographic TV in a retrowave laboratory. I love this idea of a holographic TV. I was trying to get Santa Claus stealing presents from a house, but he's just kind of sitting here looking mad. Adorable penguin bowling with snowballs. It didn't really get what I meant by bowling or snowballs, but it is an adorable penguin, so yeah. Let's try extending this one. So to extend one, you just go to add 4 seconds. And then when you're here in this little menu, you can add your prompt, you can add more time, and then you can either, throw an image or video in there to guide it, or do the motion control and all this other stuff. But I think when you're appending clips, you probably can't change you can't change the aspect ratio or anything. But you can change the frame rate, which is cool. I guess you could slow the frame rate down over time or something. All right, so that was already kind of zooming in. So let's have it pan into the shore a little bit at about 50% strength. Let's try that. Yeah, so you can pop on their Discord and play with the the other generator. It works really good. You get really cool stuff out of it, and it's got some stuff for doing like ControlNet style image encryption and text encryption, so you can like do animations with like words. It's really cool, or symbols or whatever. You can animate existing still images as well, or you can use them as a prompt for a prompt. Like use them as a basis for like you can prompt on them, which is really cool. Boop, boop, boop. It's pretty fast, generating 4 a second. Drop your G's down by 2 and you extend. Drop your GS down by 2. You extend, helps keep the colors up. Oh, you mean the guidance or guidance scale, I guess. Yeah. We'll try that. Right on. Oh, you can set it to TikTok, Rez. You want to make TikTok videos? We can make TikTok videos, bruh. Penguin dancing seductively. Imagine Dragons poster in the background. Nice. Zoomed in on the island a bit. Let's zoom in after that. Add 4 seconds. And I want to zoom in. Let's crank up the strength a little bit. And let's rotate the camera this way. Boop. Right on. Yeah, there's a few more tools I haven't opened up yet. We'll try them too. There's a few tools we haven't played with yet. You can extend the canvas, and there's I think I saw some form of motion brush in here somewhere. Yeah, even as like I think a lot of this stuff could be used, yeah, and for like B-roll in YouTube videos where you just need some stuff for the background while you're talking, you know, just like sweeping over a beach or something like that if you're talking about a beach. Or yeah, it'd be a really good way to generate footage for just like almost like stock footage for usage and other things. You know, eventually it'll probably just make really cool stuff, you know, that you just use as A footage, the A roll. I've seen some crazy good results on Twitter already. Yeah, people are really doing cool stuff with it. Yeah, modify region is interesting. I want to check that out as well. It's more like painting, right? Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do. 99%, 99%, 99% done. Yeah. I think it'll be fun when this Explore tab is populated and we can see what everybody else is making. That'll get you some ideas for what you want to make. I always like that about Midjourney and the Pika Discord, and as well as you can just see what other people are doing, and sometimes it sparks something in your brain. Not that you necessarily walk around stealing prompts or anything, but like, yeah, hey, it's cool. I like that idea of community creation like that. Cool. Now let's try and pan back out to the left and see what happens. I think we're still adding 4 seconds. So yeah, let's motion control pan left and resettling, and we'll crank it right up. Right up. Hey, LHG. Yeah, who wore it better? It's time to play. Who wore it better? Yeah, I mean, I was just doing some Stable Video Diffusion stuff as well to sort of compare the outputs, but it's hard to compare because you really only get like 1 second with Stable Video Diffusion, and with Pika you get 3, so they're just longer clips, you know. It's like comparing apples and turkey sandwiches. They're slightly different. Click that trash can icon on your clip under the prompt so you don't generate the wrong clip. Yeah. Maybe you should make that the default. That would make more sense to me, that you'd have to actually click to add 4 seconds before you would just want to do it. The fact that it stays up is maybe a little confusing then. Like if it just went back to a raw proper prompt every time, that might make more sense. I don't know how many people are. I guess everybody's extending. Because it can still populate this stuff, but only after you click that add 4 seconds button, I think. Because it is kind of confusing that it's all still here when you're done. Yeah. No, I get it. I'm just saying. Every time you add more, it takes a little bit longer to stitch onto the end. I think that's because they're interpolating the frames into each other, so it looks a little better. But yeah, I mean, this is stupid fast for generating 12 to 15 second clips. I think I got a 15-second one up here. What was my longest one? Yeah, 15 seconds. All right. Well, that's pretty damn cool. The consistency and where the waves are and stuff is insane. Like as the camera pans over and paints those waves, look at that. That is consistency right there. Makes me wonder now if they're not rendering a larger image and then doing the camera stuff on it. Interesting. I wonder if they're generating like HDRIs and then pushing a camera through them. Sorry, my brain always tries to figure this stuff out. Or not HDRIs, but like even 180 degree. Yeah, it feels a bit like that. It's very cool. It's very, like, it works. Whatever they're doing works really good. I'll have to extend more clips to get a feel for it. Let me look at this one again. Yeah, no, I wouldn't be surprised if they were just generating a larger image and moving the camera around in it, which is a really cool way to think about it. Because then you only have to really extend the clip. Yeah, because then you really only have to extend the clip. You don't have to worry about how the motion affects the movement. Oops, there it is. Yeah, it would explain why the motion is so good. Great concept. All right, let's I'm gonna zoom out on penguin really hard. Adorable penguin wearing sunglasses on a tropical beach, laying on a laying down by the pool in a tropical resort. Okay, kill that, and then motion control. We're just gonna zoom out for. I want to zoom out for the whole time and see how far back. Yeah, I want to see what happens when we zoom out and zoom out and zoom out and zoom out, and then try one where we zoom in and in and in and in and in. Let's zoom out on some penguins, shall we? I guess we could do SVD runs in the meantime. Actually, we could try the same prompt with SDXL run into, yeah, let's try that. Boopity beep 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 bop boo gabba bop jazz. All right. Let's add the old NSFW nude to the prompts, the negative prompts, and let's add this prompt. Womp, and then we'll just come back to this. Oh, and I also need empty latent image of 1024 by 576. Blump, blump, blump. Yep, you're good. Don't need you no more. All that's fine. All right, hit it. Come back and see if that worked later. All right. Oh, this is very 90s CGI. I kind of love this. Although I believe I said zoom out, didn't I? Oh, no, I said zoom in. That's really cool. It's like some strange kind of AI generated 90s game. What is this focus stuff? Go away, Windows, please. I promise. I'll focus. Great prompt. Well, that is sick. Modify region and expand canvas. All right. Well, I just want to zoom out now. I don't want to do any of that stuff. So let's kill that and then add 4 seconds. Yeah. That's all good. And then motion control. Let's zoom out. In, out, in, out, in, out. No, we'll go zoom in 1 and then out 3. I hate how his I hate how his little fins turn into finger fins. I don't love that. Pretty cute though. Blam. That's 10 motion. We can try 15. Blam. I'm just gonna erase them. Use a modified region on your original penguin and put sunglasses on it. Yeah, we could try that. Edit. The problem is the region changes so much. I don't know how I would. This whole region. What do you say? Sunglasses? Just wearing sunglasses? Let's try that. All right, here's our extension. That's cool. Let's keep zooming out. Wonder how many videos we can generate at once. Oh, there's a little fat penguin. Oof. Pretty damn cute, though. Red, green, yeah, brown, purple, green, blue, red. Womp womp. This stuff I'll make you cyan. You are purple. No, you're cyan too. You're purple. Yeah, and then y'all are blue. Except you are cyan. There we go. That helps my brain. No IP adapter for SVD yet. IP adapter. So IP adapter would work for the initial image generation, but you can't feed IP adapter into this model, I don't think. The place to check that would be the Banadoko server. Those guys are on top of everything. In fact, I might stream tomorrow and cover some of their new workflows. They got, from what I understand, they've replicated that Magic upscaling site with Animate Diff, and they've also done a new Stable Video Diffusion through Animate Diff upscaling workflow that looks fantastic. So I might cover a bunch of new workflows from Bandidoko tomorrow. We'll get back into the absolute nerd stuff here. Oh, geez. This might be the best vaporwave animation I've ever made, and it was a complete accident. That is amazing. What a fluke. Look at the reflection on the glasses. That's some impressive stuff right there. Brad Dorff, Chucky. You shouldn't have selected the entire penguin. I probably should have put penguin wearing sunglasses because now it just made it a person wearing sunglasses. But that's really cool. I'm going to extend that one too because that's insane. Vaporwave statue wearing sunglasses in a pool. Hit it. And then you. Have we extended one more? 2, 3. Oh, yeah. Let's zoom out one more time. I think we can. Add 4 seconds. Zoom out 4. Yeah, bring it. Yeah, it is. It's actually a really interesting way of making stuff. It's also like almost like collaging the attention masks and just typing different stuff in and just making like a weird video collage of stuff that's been dreamed over and over each other in little regions. Can you upscale the long videos, or can you only upscale the short ones? I tried to upscale a long one yesterday and got an error, but I thought maybe it was just growing pains. Nice. Did I forget to do this one? Yeah, okay, cool. That's fine. Yeah, that's what I figured. Just a transient error. I really love this. It's very Lawnmower Man. '90s low poly video game Lawnmower Man. Virtual reality. Information superhighway. Bring the fury. Okay. Yeah, Mind's Eye. Yeah. Hey, Neural Play. Crazy. I don't know. Cyber Wizard could answer that probably. Does prompt waiting work? Do you know? Gotta clean your pipes. No waiting. It's probably just as well, because when you start negative weighting stuff too far, you can actually get into the darker parts of the models by accident, in places you might not want to be. Put some like 80s new wave over this. Right. I love that little smirk there. Right here. That is wicked. I love how weird and concave the glasses and the nose bridge get as it comes around. See, I like weird AI stuff. I'm not a huge fan of the perfect and the amazingly accurate. Like this right here, this is my jam. Yeah. The orange to purple. Truly, deeply, thoroughly moisturized. It's cool that you can start changing the prompt as you go too. Hey, Ixalad. All right, let's try. Alien versus Predator chess match in Central Park. Well, swing and a miss, Stable Video Diffusion. Although, I think I blame the input image on this one. Let's try this one again. What the? No. Okay, I'm going to give you... Whoa, what did I hit? I'm going to give you like 30 steps. I'm going to change you to these. Actually, no, these. And maybe these. CFG to 6.5. Let's cancel this awful mess and try again. Yeah. Wow, it really wants to just make like a VR mannequin on a crazy low poly tractor. Oh, Lawnmower Man. Okay. Yeah, no, it's doing it. It's doing what I asked. It's doing what I asked. Yeah. I asked for a Lawnmower Man. It gave me a Lawnmower Man. What more do you want? My bad. Ooh, I wonder if I put Lawnmower Man in the IP adapter. That's an interesting idea. So IP adapter applying coded. Yeah. And the model goes through here. Oh, so let's pop a little free U on there. Get some free lunch for free. Yummy, yummy lunch. There we go. Blomp. So checkpoint free U, apply encoded IP adapters. So we need to make some embeds now. Oh, that's not it. That's it. All right, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Now we have 4 image slots, but we're only going to use 1. Let's set their weights to 0. Not 10. 0, please. At 8, we need an IP adapter. We're going to use the SDXL one. We need clip vision. We'll use the SDXL one. Load image. No. First we need a prep image for clip vision. Boop. And we're going to load an image. Not me, though. Lawnmower Man. Heck yeah. Okay, we're going to remove that from the prompt. Okay. We're going to set this to 0.8. No, you're going to set U to 1. We're going to set the master value of the encoded IP adapter weights to 0.8. I think that's actually all we need. 1, 2, 3, 4. Prep image for clip vision. That's you. Go there. You go there. Hey. Let's get this stuff up here. Okay. This is getting bigger by the minute. All right. Hell yeah. I mean, that's insane, but sure. He just starts growling a little bit. Boo, boo, doo, boo, boo. All right. Oh yeah. Should throw it into Pika and do a proper head-to-head. Why does it look so bad though? It's really oversaturated. Let's do a little less of the input image, maybe. So this is really weird, but this makes me laugh. This R. Yeah, I just want to retry this one. I think we can get a better one. I think we can get a better one. Whoa. That's pretty trippy, though. Does look like it's overcooking at some capacity, though. Let me see if I can figure out why. CFG might be a little high, maybe? 2? I mean, the input image was really washed out. So yeah, let's just try... so I'm going to change this preview to a save. Yeah. That way, it'll save the image we make instead of just previewing it. And if it's good, we can put it in Pika. 90s low poly video game. I'm actually going to remove that. I think that's causing a lot of the problems. Virtual reality, information superhighway, hacker, headset. It's so washed out. It's crazy. Let's try Euler at normal 30. Okay, some of it was that. What about a little less? IP adapters. That hand is just hilariously bad. Oh, wait, this is... Okay, let's cancel this. Let's make this at 1344 by 768, because this is friggin' SDXL, right? I think that's what the problem is. So generate at the size that SDXL is good at generating at, and then it should crop it or shrink it or whatever as it goes in. Yeah, that's a little better. It's just chatting. All right, I'm willing to give that one up. Let's try river of flowing cotton candy. Majestic. Pools of icing and sugar. Where the heck did that go? Wanna kill Steam? Am I blind? Oh, there it is. Bye-bye, Steam. Ugh. Woof. All right, what if we just put hacker and crank up the input back to 8? Like, I'm wondering if it's my prompt or if it's the input image that's overbaking everything. That's pretty sick. Oh, it added little words at the bottom because the input image has little words at the bottom. That's great. I would eat that place. Okay, we got our little pan out. So let's tilt up and pan right and see what's over here. That's strength 2. Go. Just put a dot. Yeah. I don't want to make anything too sketchy on stream, but I'll try that normally. This picture is completely unhinged. I love how smooth his skin is. How gangly this hand is. It really understood the texture on the shirt too. It's crazy. Whoa. All right, and then let's drop. How do I? Can you drag? No. Let's save image. Grab you. Can I drag it into Pika? Hey, hacker. Boop. I really like this. Hey, Schmoove. What else would like to upscale this? See what that looks like. Single-handedly using all the GPUs at Pika right now. Hey, Frank. Did we go as far as we can with this one? Oh, no, it's only 11 seconds. We can add 4 more seconds. Can't believe I didn't add more seconds. I want to keep surreal. I liked surreal. Yeah, it works. This whole area replaces down here with a drop button. It's really good. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's add 4 seconds and let's pan left and zoom out. This is epic. Oh, Peak is great. Yeah, I've been playing with the Discord stuff forever. But this web interface is really cool. Brings a lot of the stuff that only Runway offers right now, which is cool. All right, I am going to grab a drink while this stuff is rendering. Stand up and stretch your legs, or don't. I'm not your mom. Be right back. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I really like that one. All right, let's keep doing these. These are neat. This is crazy. I love these. What the hell? Oh, we didn't see this one. Oh, whoa. Oh, yeah, we'll be extending that one. That's a total nightmare. Absolute nightmare. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that cotton candy waterfall. Shaboosh. Let's add 4 and zoom out more. Yes. So if I upload a video, it only does the first 4 seconds, right? If I extend it, does it do the next 4 seconds of the input video, or does it extend it based on the clip that it generated? I haven't even tried input video yet. These are sick. I'm gonna increase the motion on this and see what it do. What it do? Oh right, I should have saved the whatever. Hey, Killen. Video. If I upload a video and I do a run, will it when I extend the clip, will it do the next 4 seconds of the input video, or will it extend the clip based on what the first clip was? So like, can I do 15 seconds of video by just extending video inputs, or do I have to cut those clips together? Probably have to cut it into pieces. This is the nightmare fuel I signed up for. Now that we've lost this guy completely, let's go back over and see what's over there. Add 4 seconds. We want to go pan left, and we want to tilt down a bit. And this one's almost done. That's a crazy one. My audio. Ah. Well, that is friggin' awesome. That one's great. Let's upscale that puppy. Did any of those ever upscale? Or that one that I upscaled, did it ever finish? Been doing too much stuff and not paying attention to the results. Wow. That one's a journey. Yeah, I feel like I upscaled another one. There it is. Huh. Do, 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 do. Whoa. Upscaling takes a little bit. Crazy. Do, 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 do. These are all old. No. Let me try. Trying to find us some videos for input here. It would be a good one. Let me see. Can I add duration to my... Hey, I can. Oh, but it's not calculated? Cool, 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 cool. What's this? Nope. I don't have any short videos on here. Let's try. These upscales are taking a while. Refresh, just make sure. Yeah, it's still going. All right. Boop. Where is it? movies, AI, comfy renders. Yeah, we could try that one. 40-year-old man doing a backflip. Bring it. Oh, file should be less than 10 megs. Yeah, I'm not gonna deal with that. Oh, it's this 148 megs. How big are you? That'll work. Let's try this one. Really? Yeah, that won't work. Oh, well, wrong prompt. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, upscale's crispy. Pretty impressive. I like the upscale. It's nice and clean. Colors definitely get more saturated as time goes on. Kind of like that, though. Very sick. Can you not bother me while we're playing chess, human? Can't you tell I'm concentrating on a move I am trying to make? Whoa. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Input video. Didn't like that input video, I guess. I haven't even got an output like that yet. Even in Discord. Pika. Let's upscale it. How big is this? 3 megs. Let's try. Trying to see what I got. Oh, wow. Okay, so input video so far not so going so great. Did I break Pika? Feel like I maybe broke Pika. Hey, Matisse, what's up, buddy? No, that's not a thing. Oh, nice. That's trippy. Let's back motion off a bit. 20. Whoa. Yeah, it got so bad I just got YouTube Premium because I couldn't stand ads anymore. It's crazy. You can extend the clips up to 15 seconds. The video to video might still need some love. I bet if I do images, it'll be fine. Where's just my images? What about astral traveling in 1970s fashion? That's crazy. This is the upscale? Nice. Let's download that and have a look at that full screen. I love this one. I also love that it was a total accident. This is cool. Just want to upscale these other runs. Yeah. that is sick. It's so cool. Oh yeah, it's way better with pictures. Holy cow. Creepy. I want to play whatever game this is. Render, render, render. Smashing Pika's GPU. Smashing, smashing, smashing. Smashing all their GPUs. You want to see Matisse? Give me a prompt, buddy. Text to video's fine too. Lots of trucks. Whoa. Crazy. So I guess the prompt doesn't matter as much when you're doing the image. The eyes are better on that one, that's for sure. Let's just try that raw prompt. Do 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 do. Well, yeah, it's also, it's the image is the input, right? The prompt is just there. No, I don't think he's doing. I don't think he's doing ballet, or she, or they. I'm not gonna sit here and assume this bear's gender. Well, I mean, that's literally what you asked for, Matisse. Literally. I think we're gonna extend that one, right? I just want to keep zooming out like that. That's great. Fantastic. Ooh, there's my frog on a log, on a bog, on a bog, and a log, and a frog log. Update, upscale. Let's have a look. See. Ooh, looking good. Cute, but also terrifying. I keep forgetting the default camera movement is zoom out. You should change the camera movement if you don't want them all to zoom out. Oh, that's crazy. Whoa. We're coming to the end of whatever this platform is. Let's find out. Let's find out what's behind it. Let's keep zooming out. We'll go a little faster. I know. Expensive. What the These are great. Love this bootleg wish.com Tron hoodie. It's not glow in the dark. It's just made of plutonium. I'm gonna keep zooming in on this one. Did anybody play with that new upscaler yet? Magificate? Magi upscale? I don't know what it's called. Looks great though. Apparently somebody rebuilt that workflow on Bandidoko, so check that out later. Magnific. Yeah, I bet the credits go fast. Yeah. Oh. The hell's that green thing? I'm dying to know what's at the end of this platform here. Oh, just more road. There's more and more fireworks as time goes on. All right, now let's on the final. Let's zoom in for. It goes from cute to a horror movie. They're just holding on this poor little guy. This is cool because normally when you get invited to these betas, you're not actually allowed to share the interface until it's out. So it's pretty cool. Pika's, I mean, you know, they get viewers out of it too, but it's cool that they're letting me show off how it works because Yeah, then you get to get an idea of all the features and stuff, you know, beyond the marketing hype. It just kind of reveals that it's good. I've done so many betas where they're like, don't even talk about it. We'll sue you. Vintage singing cowboy Bing Crosby. Yeah, Piggy does need horror sound effects. That's really cool. Let's finish that off with let's tilt down and zoom in. Sure. About to see our final little trucks. There we go. Yeah, if you do like 4 videos at once, they all finish like a water wheel. It's perfect. Don't you want to dance? Crazy. All the trucks turn into fireworks too. Let's upscale that one. Oh my god. One too far. Boom, boom, boo, 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 boo. He's so scared. Why is there fire in his nose? Whoa. I think we can call that one a failure. We'll retry it. Do, 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 do. So far, I really dig the interface. I think it works really well. It's easy to go back and forth between the tangents. Yeah, I like it. It's a lot easier than using the Discord, that's for sure. Like I like the idea of Discord accessibility for these tools, but it gets confusing to work on Discord over time, as people know who use Midjourney know. Sometimes it's nice to just have a web interface, and this web interface is nice. I also like that it's in dark mode. I hate bright websites with every fiber of my being. I have one I've retried 3 or 4 times. Is this the upscale? No. This is the final. Whoa. That is cool. Oh, geez. Sing Kubi. This is terrifying. But I think we'll add some more time to that and we'll probably pan right. Keep zooming in. Yeah, we want to get on his face. Yeah, these are text to video with Pika Labs. We're just trying out their demo, their beta right now. Ooh, I like the way these are coming into the background. That's cool. Sing Kubi. I like that one. It's very chill. So I've retried this one 5 times. We'll try one more. Did I upscale this one? Yeah, it's upscaling. This is crazy. I can't believe this one. I feel like I can hear that song. Oh, dear God. Let's zoom out and pan to the left. That's not how you spell it. Brontosaurus. Oh, that's pretty dark. Don't know why they're so bloody. delete that one. Upscaled. Let's see. Pretty cool. Crazy. Yeah, trucks all turned into fireworks. The brontosauruses are not playing badminton. They're just chilling. The 6th retry on this one. Who's this guy? Okay. We're hanging that pan. We're going to just keep going in that direction. Oh my god. Ugh. Actually curious what this does here with no IP adapter influence. Oh, that's trippy. That is super trippy. Oh, wow. I hope that one's dope. Oh. Oh, hell yeah. All right. Let me try that. Start with a static shot, I guess. Oh, there we go. Well done. Another guy. This one's incredible. Let's upscale the hell out of that. Did I do this twice? Oh, wait, what? Did I add the last? Oh, I added the last prompt to the continuation of this one. So it's gonna change the prompt into fractal SpongeBob falling into a mirror for the last one. Oh, they turn into SpongeBob. That is so insane. So this one, the prompt is the Bing Crosby thing for the first 3 rotations. Then on the last one, it changes to fractal SpongeBob falling into a mirror, and you can see all these guys on the left. Boom, they turn into SpongeBob. That's insane. Okay, let's try this prompt just alone. Yeah. Dumb. So dumb. Oh crap, I did it again. Okay. So that's definitely something to think about with the interface. Cause like I did literally just did that twice in a row. And I've been using this for like an hour. All right. I'll try this one with nothing else, yeah? And then this is dumb. And this is funny. I'm keeping it. Did I upscale this one? Yep. And SpongeBob's creating. Horses creating. And realistic human females creating. Yeah, the trash can icon is it's got to be a better way to deal with that. I don't need the stuff to be on there. Maybe make it an option to not use that way cuz like yeah. It sort of insinuates its extension is the default action. It's confusing. It's from a UI UX point of view. Because like I'm already hitting add 4 seconds every time I want to do it anyway, so it's redundant to have the thing there the whole time. Especially if you want to move away and come back to it later. That's cool. It's more like a fractal sponge falling into a mirror, but I like it. Let's add more time to that. And 2. Yep. And how's this look? All right, that guy just disappears into the horse. That's cool. Let's zoom in on that. Start panning west. Yeah, definitely. That's pretty crazy looking. Well, that's pretty cool too. Holy crap. American. That guy's just gone. Crazy. I like the idea of like speeding up the zoom out as you go. Wobbly. Yeah, Matisse, if you're still here, I'm not sure if I'm right about what they're doing, but if I am, I have an idea I want to talk to you about. Cool way to do camera movements. Yeah, like I want to generate. Yeah, I want to generate like a sphere or something, and see if we can just move the camera in the space. Be interesting way to do it. I think there's more to it here because like it seems to be connected more to the dream itself. But yeah, that's super cool. I love how his horse is backwards. Oh, nice. What'd you make? Yikes. Oh, nice. I mean, technically, I don't think we need to actually build anything to do this. Just generate a really large motion quilt and then stick it on something in Blender and just use the camera in the space. Then we'd have full camera control, move around in it. It doesn't have to be a full like HDRI either. It can literally just be a wall that you're like kind of. Try that. Basically, what do you call it is doing? What's that other one where it builds the HDRI and you can like draw and paint the stuff in? I always forget the name of that one. Something box. Neck so long. Ah, that's cool. Can't really do it in Comfy though. We'd have to do it in like Python or something. 3JS. Hmm. What about a 3JS 180 degree HDRI with just a big fat render? Big fat video render. And you can like, wow, you just build that in cables actually. That's a project for later. Oh, trippy. Hmm. Movement seems weird tonight in SVD. Try this maybe. My OBS disappeared. Hopefully. That's weird. Oh, there it goes. Ah, weird. That was weird. Bum, 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 ba-dum. All right. Trond. Hey, Mel. Yep. Sure is. There we go. That's looking better. Damn, that separation is insane. I don't have Twitter on here. One sec. Yeah, he told me about that. It's really cool. As soon as we can get that for values, we're off to the races as far as audio reactivity is concerned. Hope you can figure it out. Cool. I'm gonna keep doing that actually. I'm gonna tilt down and rotate in hard. Yeah, it's not the audio, it's the way animate diff works. I'm worried it's not possible because of the way the context windows work. But that's a whole very boring thing to talk about. Looks pretty good. Did I download that one? No, maybe. Did I? No. Perfection. So if you do an image with no prompt, it's kind of like animate on the Discord, I guess. What do I have? Right. Well, I think I've made it. It's perfection. What do you guys think? I like that the chili is steaming. I like that it maintained his awful spider finger thing from the original image. His hand is awful. I mean, the facial motions are just. Mwah. This is Guy Fieri. All right, let's move in on him a little bit more. No, not edit. I want to add some time. And I want to pan, tilt up, and zoom in. Oh, dear God. He's going to town on those noodles. Nom, 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 nom. I like that. Be cool to just keep moving around and like hallucinating the painting, and it like just constantly keeps changing. You like pan over to places that are different than they used to be. I would watch that channel all day, probably on TV. This is insane. Add 4 seconds. Let's zoom out a bit. We're getting a little close to old Mr. Fiat. We can tilt down a bit, I think. Zoom out faster. And then we'll just finish it off with a final zoom out. Yeah, dig that data. He figured out some really cool curve interpolation stuff for doing prompt travel. So you could like decide on the curve handles and the type of sort of interpolation as opposed to just like linear like 0 to 1 stuff. It's really cool. It's on his Twitter. That's what we were nerding about. Still waiting to get some way to like do that with like control net strength over the course of an animate diff animation. So I could like write it like deform keyframes. Weird. Incredible. If you could figure out how to do it, you'd be a superstar because there is a batch value scheduler. Yes, in phys nodes, but uh it doesn't work when you like plug it into like let's say the control net strength or something. Maybe you'd understand the error and can figure out how to get it in there. Yeah, that would be sick. Yeah. Anything where yeah. Nice visual, easy to use controls and comfy are so nice. I also had an idea for doing like generating the masks in real time with like GLSL or P5 projects or whatever, like just making depth maps with like grayscale color ramp stuff, kind of like you do with Blender textures, but just making audio reactive nodes for that. And that would just create control net masks on the fly that you could use with QR code or depth or whatever the hell you want. He's like, nobody touched my chili. It's my chili and nobody else's. All right, let's do a final zoom out on this absolute masterpiece. And rotate a bit for drama. Hit it. Right. Because right now I have to make all my audio reactive masks in Blender because there's no interface for doing that. It'd be wicked to have some kind of real-time feedback thing where we can load up a wave file, tell it what frequencies to react to, and tell it how to react. If you make some basic shaders, rings and circles and squares and pluses and stuff like that. And then you could just do compositing style masking runs to do audio reactive stuff and let the prompts handle what's actually happening in scene. I'm giving away $1 million ideas for free here. For gathering data? Now you sound like an AI, bro. I need to gather data. All right, I think after I complete this final Guy Fieri masterpiece here, I am going to call it a night. 2.5 hours in, covered what I wanted to cover with Pika. Tomorrow, I'm going to dive in on ComfyUI stuff with absolute nerd stuff. Absolute nerd stuff from the Banadoko. So if this was too corporate for you, tomorrow will be the opposite. We're going to cover some crazy stuff with all the new workflows on Banadoko. There's one I think that replicates Magify. I always forget the name. There's one that apparently replicates Runway's motion brush. We'll check that out. And I've seen a couple things with attention masking that I really want to dig into. So tomorrow night is going to be an absolute nerd slog. So if you're into the nerdy stuff, tomorrow night's the night. And yeah, I'll post like a super cut of these Pika things on my Discord, my Twitter tonight, so you can check them out and tag Pika and all that fun stuff. So yeah, sign up for Pika, try to get on the wait list, get into one of your thingamajig, and try to get into your thing, and hopefully everybody heard what I said, or does it sound like absolute crap? I can't tell. Yeah, so absolute nerd-armageddon tomorrow with ComfyUI. Back to hardcore nerding. This was a fun, chill creation session. Okay, one sec. Let me restart my audio and say all that again then. Hello, words. Hopefully it sounds better. All right. Okay. So did you guys hear what I said, or should I re-say all that stuff again? I can never tell. So yeah, tomorrow night's going to be crazy. Working through Banadoko stuff, fighting with nodes, and that totally normal stuff we do here. Then Friday night, I'll be hanging with my friend Tenzia, and we'll be probably making audio reactive stuff in Comfy. Probably make it in Blender first, and then see what we can do with Comfy. And animate diff, control net, all that fun stuff. He's fantastic. You're gonna love his stuff. That's Friday night. But yeah, tomorrow night we'll be digging through the Banadoko server and doing all that crazy stuff. So try out all the new workflows on Banadoko and see what sticks, what's awesome. We'll do animate diff, attention masking with IP adapters. We'll do hopefully the upscaling thing. There's another workflow that does stable video diffusion into animate diff upscaler refining run. That looks really interesting too. So yeah, we'll try probably those 3 workflows tomorrow and get our nerd on. Absolute nerd on. As always, if you like what we do here, hit up the Patreon, become a supporter. You get access to a special channel on the Discord, and if you have problems and questions, you can bring them to the Discord. Either me or somebody else will help you out. There's lots of smarty pantses in there. And thanks everyone for hanging out. As always, yeah, Pika's cool. Sign up for the waitlist. Get signed up. Go play on the Discord until you get in, and tag me in the stuff you make. I want to see it. All right. Love you guys. Have a good night, and keep safe. And we'll see you tomorrow.